Hello guys, good morning. Today is Pagaro Magkabing to. So this is our warm-up exercise during morning. So we have to walk para naman na ma-develop yung ating muscles as well as yung ating cardio. So we can run also. Yung running kasi pinakamaganda yun sa ating katawan, especially at this morning. Pero huwag ka munang kakain, then after this, tsaka ka mag-breakfast. So you drink warm water, much better. And I may verse to you, yung aking Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Ayan. So trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. Ayan. So again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Modern Magkabing to. Ayan. So again, sa lahat po ng mga subscribers ko, likers, panoorin niyo po yung aking vlog. So para dito po tayo, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Modern Magkabing to, PST o Travel Stroke Therapy. Okay, so muli po again, God bless both of you guys. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan. So, Modern Magkabing to.